Thanks Overmont for sponsoring this video. Today, we're baking a loaf that's sweet, tart, and impossibly good. Cherry bread, straight from cast iron. Let's get baking! Stir 3 tablespoons of yeast into a half a cup of water. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until it turns foamy. Whisk your flour, salt, and sugar together to spread the flavor evenly. Then pour in oil, 2 cups of water, and the yeast mixture. Stir until a shaggy dough forms. It'll look rough and feel sticky. Shape the dough into a rough ball. Cover it and let it rise for 2 hours until it doubles. This slow rise builds flavor and gives you that lovely open crumb. Turn the dough out onto a floured surface and knead for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Too sticky? Add flour 1 tablespoon at a time. Now the fun part. Fold in your chopped cherries. Go gently. Overmixing breaks the fruit down. Shape the dough into a smooth ball. Cover it again and rest for 30 minutes. The shorter rise relaxes the dough and sets up a beautiful oven spring. Set your dough on parchment. Then lower them both into the pot. Lid back on and bake at 450 degrees for 30 minutes. The trap steam keeps the crust soft at first, so the loaf rises full and even. Take the lid off and bake another 5 to 10 minutes until the top turns deep golden brown. Lift the bread out and let it cool at least 30 minutes. This lets the crumb set, so you get clean slices instead of a gummy center. Slice it thick and enjoy that perfect cast iron crust. A few quick tips for your Overmont oven. Always preheat with the lid on for that crackly crust. Lean on its heat retention for even browning all around. Handle it carefully. The pot and lid stay hot a long time. Clean with warm water and a soft sponge. Never metal scrubbers. And if your crust browns too fast, drop the heat 15 degrees during the lid off stage. Thanks for watching. Bye!